I'm Braydon, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the inside of your car.
So, first step is you're going to gather all of your stuff you're going to use to clean your car. So, one of the accessories is an extension cord, so you can plug the vacuum in. The actual vacuum itself, this is the normal nozzle, and this is one to use getting the tight spaces in your seats. You got a rag, you can get wet or not, it doesn't really matter. Then you got the microfiber rag. Alright, so for your second step, you're going to want to take all of your floor mats out and put them on the ground so they can kind of air out a little bit. And you kind of put them in the stay go. Alright, so for your next step, you're going to want to take everything out after your floor mats. So say like a winter brush or an ice scraper. Say you have some extra clothes, or even your backpack. Or if you're like me, you play sports, you're lazy and you leave all your stuff in your car, you're going to want to take all that out too.
Cool.
So for your next step, you're going to want to get in these cup holders, which if you're like me, they get really dirty. So you want to get your rag in there and twist around so all that dust and maybe crumbs get out. And for one of your final steps, you're going to want to clean your windows. Alright, so when you have everything cleared out, you're going to want to plug your extension cord into the wall, plug it in the vacuum, and start vacuuming your floor. For your last step, you're going to want to put in a new air freshener. I like to put mine in the vent on the driver's side. Thanks for watching my how to clean the inside of your car. Peace.